Namaskar. I welcome all of you to my 199th video. In this 199th video, I take a subject, Degree Calculations, English episode 24. For receiving my all videos, for receiving my 199 videos, please type my name Joseph Jude Kanat Nicholas in searching bar. Last 23 episodes, we were studying about different types of jobs and its developments using scientific calculations. Last time, we started to study about a cone which is having a bottom diameter of 2088 and top dia of 522. We started to draw its developments. So, in this video, I would like to say its remaining class. Whatever I told in last episode, I don't like to describe those all because we don't have enough time. So, we shall come to the next part, whatever we have spoken in my last 23rd episode. For making this kind of one job, this kind of one cone, first of all we have to get a radius to draw its development. This is the radius. From here to here, it is radius. It is 2671.1. How did we get it? Last episode, I told you for receiving this 2671.1, we made a cone. We made a triangle like this. This triangle is the triangle we got from this cone. This 1044 is the half of this 2088. It means this part starts from here to here is the part which is starting from here to here. Half of this 2088 is 1044. It means this 1044 is from here to here. From this center part, we made a line to upward. It was a perpendicular line. This perpendicular line meets in a point if we make a line, if we extend a line from here to here. We have to extend a line from here to here, then it will meet in this portion, approximate in this portion, whatever we had drawn earlier from the center of this 2088. So one line is from here to here, and another line is from here to here, and these two lines are meeting approximate this place. From this place to here, we got its hypotenuse, and from here to here, we got its base, and from here to here, we got its perpendicular line. This triangle, whatever I have been showing here, I have written here. Its base I have written here. I told about the base from here to here. Again, I told about its perpendicular which starts from here to here. Here also I have indicated that perpendicular is starting from the center to this meeting point. And I told about the hypotenuse which starts from here to here. That also I described. It is from this portion to here. If we get this portion, this point to this place, it will be the radius of cone. That we got 2671.1. For getting this measurement, we had to use this 1044 base and degree 66.9929. For receiving this degree, whatever we have done, it has to be checked in my last episode. If I have started to describe about those all, we will lose time. So please check my last episode. Okay. We got this 2671.1. It should be the radius of this cone. So, with this 2671.1 radius, we made a circle. Its slight portion will be the part we have to use as a cone. We have to cut and we have to bend. Then it will become as a cone like this. So we don't know how much we need its perimeter. Approximate perimeter I have started from here and I ended it here. Sometimes it may be bigger than this, sometimes it may be lesser than this. We have to find out it using scientific calculation. For finding out the end point of this corner and the end point of this corner, we have to find out the straight length. Now it is our aim in this class. We have to find out the straight length from this point to this point. If we have got the straight length from here to here, we have succeeded to make this development. Okay, we shall find out measurement from here to here. First of all, you just draw this diagram using your compass, protractor, scale and everything. I didn't use protractor, I didn't use compass, I did everything using freehand sketch. Because I am just teaching you only, but you are my student, you are studying. If you have to get the point properly, you have to be a good student, you have to have one notebook, you have to have scientific calculator, you have to have protractor type mathematical instruments. Then you will get my points, you will be able to do all kinds of fabrication works which is to be done before fabrication, okay? So, we have to get this line from here to here. So, we have to use the formula MP by MP is equal to MD by MD. This formula also I have described in so many episodes, so I don't describe those all more in this episode. But remember, this MP, major perimeter, is written in capital letter and this MP, both are MP. But this is written in running letter, it is written in capital letter. What is the difference between this capital letter MP and running letter MP? This capital letter MP represents the perimeter of major circle. It starts from here and it continues from here to here and it doesn't stop there and finally it reaches here. So we call it as major perimeter. In bottom side also I have written MP, minor perimeter. What is this minor perimeter? It is a small perimeter. It starts from here but it ends very near. In this portion it ends. So you recognize the difference between major perimeter and minor perimeter. This major perimeter divided by minor perimeter will be equal to major degree divided by minor degree. It means wherever we use this perimeter, those area will be covered by major degree. It means major perimeter is starting from here and it ends in this line. In this portion, we need 1 degree to draw this circle. That is our major degree. If we have used if we have used this point to one full circle for finding out major perimeter, major degree also will be covering the area from here to one full rotation and it will be ending here. If it is the relationship between major perimeter and major degree, minor perimeter and minor degree also will be same. Minor perimeter starts from here and it ends here. If it is so, its degree also will be starting from here and it will be ended here. So, this minor perimeter is how many times bigger will be this major perimeter? It will be equal to the when compared with the major degree divided by minor degree. If it is more than 2 times big, this minor degree also will be that much more than this major degree also will be that much more bigger than this minor degree. Okay, we shall come to the point. We have to apply measurements, these measurements in this degree. What is the formula for finding out a major perimeter? For finding out a major perimeter or minor perimeter or any type of perimeter, we have to use the formula pi d. I have told you about it. But what is the difference between this pi d and pi d? Both are pi d, but here I have written it in capital letter and here I have written in running letter. This indicates the diameter of big diameter and this indicates the diameter of small diameter. So what is this minor diameter and major diameter? We shall give measurements to this pi and d. Pi means 3.14. Everybody knows it. I have told you in last so many episodes. And d means, we may say it may be 2671.1. Everybody knows it isn't diameter. It is radius only, because it starts from here and it ends in its center. One more portion we have to cover. Then it will become as a diameter. So we have to add 2671.1 one more time. Otherwise, we have to we have to do multiplication with 2. Then it will become as the diameter. So I have multiplied this 2671.1 with 2. It has been indicated. It indicates diameter. This 2 in multiplication represents this d, diameter. Pi into d means pi is 3.14. I have written here. This diameter is, I have written, not 2671.1. This 2 has to be multiplied, then we will get diameter. How you understood about it? So in bottom side, I have also written pi d. That is, pi I have written 3.14. What is this diameter? You know, this is for finding out minor perimeter. Minor perimeter is starting from here and it ends here. What will be its diameter? If we make this kind of one development, and if we cut, afterwards we will bend or we will roll, and we will get a job like this. Then you say, what will be the diameter? It will be 2088. With this perimeter, if we cut, if we bend or if we roll, we will get a job with this diameter, 2088. So this 2088 will be the diameter of this much of perimeter. This much of perimeter we will mark, we will cut, we will bend or we will roll. Afterwards, after welding, we will get this kind of one cone. So what will be the diameter of this perimeter? Its perimeter will be 2088. I have written it here. For pi, I have written 3.14. For d, diameter, I have written 2088. Just use your, if we make calculation with this one, what will we be getting? We will be getting md by md. We used this formula for getting md by md. We used this formula for getting md by md. We use this formula for getting md by md. If we solve this problem, we will get md by md. Major degree by minor degree we will get. Already we have got major degree. Everybody knows major degree. It starts from this line and it ends in this line. Everybody knows what is the degree of one full circle. It will be 360 degree. Okay. So just use your calculator and find out this measurement. Because you aren't hearing, you shouldn't be hearing. If you just hear only, you will hear it through one ear and you will be throwing it out through another one ear. Then what will be happening? You won't study anything. You will be losing time only. And I will also be losing time. I am just trying to teach you. You won't be studied. So just use your calculator and find out this measurement. For finding out that measurement, use the calculator. What is the measurement we have to apply? 3.14 means pi. I have been applying this pi in its proper button. I have opened it. I have clicked in shift for getting pi directly. Pi into 2671.1. I have been writing that letter 2671.1. I have written into 2. Then we will get measurement, that is 16,783. I have written it here, 16,783. We got its answer. This measurement's answer, that is 16,783. So find out this pi into 2088. So just to do pi into 2088. Then we get a measurement 6559.6. I have written it here 6559.6. So we got these two measurements. What is this? It is whatever I have told earlier, MD by MD. This is also MD by MD. This is also MD by MD. Here also we have got MD by MD. Major degree divided by minor degree. So just solve this problem, then we will find out how many times bigger will be this measurement when compared with the bottom measurement. Then we will find out same measurement will be, we can apply through this, we can apply for this MD by MD also. If we calculate, we will get this measurement. There is no need for me to calculate it again because I will lose time. Just pause my video and calculate, then you will get 2.5585. What is this 2.5585? 2.5585 is this MD by MD. Once again, I have written it in bottom side, MD by MD. Major degree divided by minor degree will be 2585. What does it mean? This measurements approximate more than 2 times big will be top side measurement. Same way, this major degree also will be approximated more than 2 times bigger than minor diameter. So we shall write it once again. One more time I have written it. I have written this 2.5585 in the right side of this place, and major degree divided by minor degree I have written in left side. It doesn't have any meaning. If you like to write like that, you may write. If you don't like to write like that, there is no need for you to write like that. So major degree divided by minor degree will be 2.5585. We shall give measurements to values to this formula. This major degree is 360. I have told you about it, so I don't describe about it. We have to find out minor degree. We don't have minor degree, so we shall write minor degree only. 360 divided by minor degree is equal to whatever we have written here. That measurement we can once again we can write here 2.5585. We have to find out minor degree, so we have to take this 360 to the right side of this measurement. Then 1 will remain here. Instead of 360, 1 will remain here. I have told you about it in last some episodes. 1 will remain here, and what will be happening? This 360 has been multiplied here. If it has been happened here, when it will be taken to the right side of the is equal to, it will be divided. If it is in top side, it will become in bottom side. Same thing happened here. 360 was in top side. When it reached here, it has reached in the bottom side of 2.5585. So, you understood about 1 by MD is equal to 2.5585 divided by 360. But there is no need for us to find out 1 by MD. We have to find out MD by 1. MD by 1 means MD. Everybody knows it. I have told about it also in some episodes. So, if we have to find out MD, we have to turn this MD to top side and this one to bottom side. If we do this operation in the left side of our is equal to, we have to do same operation in the right side of our is equal to. So this 2.5585 will reach in the bottom side. It has reached in the bottom side, and this 360 is in bottom side. When we turn this one, this 360 also will be turned and it will reach in top side. It has happened here. MD by 1 is equal to 360 divided by 2.5585. So this MD by 1 means MD. Everybody knows it. What means? What is it? 360 divided by 2.5585. 360 divided by 2.5585. Okay. Just use your calculator and find out 360 divided by 2.5585. 360 divided by 360 divided by 2.5585. What is it? How much we have got? We have got 140.7174. We have got 140.7174. What is this 140.7174? That is minor degree. Minor degree means this minor degree is the degree from here to here. We got this measurement. So we are approaching very near to the end of final point of our development. If we have got this degree, easily using scientific calculations, we can find out this measurement. I have told you about it. I have taught you about it. So, if we have to find out this measurement, we have to take this kind of one triangle from here to here, and from here to here, and another one straighten from here to here. So, we got 140.774. I have written it here, 140.7174. And this measurement already we have got 2671.1. 2671.1 I have written here. So we have to find out the straight length. We have to make a line here. Imaginary line we have to make. Then we will get proper measurement of this line. Okay. I have written it here. 2671.1 is from here to here. This measurement is also 2671.1 because this measurement we used for making this radius. From this point to all parts of this radius will be 2671.1. If this degree is 140.7174, what will be the half of this degree? One line is coming from here to here. Its proper center we have to take and we have to make a perpendicular line to the top. Then it will reach in the corner of point of exact meeting point. So it will be the half of this 140.7174. And this line will be divided into two equal parts. So just use your calculator and find out 140 divided by 7174. It will be, already I have written 140.7174 divided by 2 is equal to, we got 70.3537. I have written 70.3537. What is this? One triangle is here from here to here and here to here and here to here. We divided this big triangle to two portions. If we divide it two portions, 1 degree we will be getting as 90 degree. For using sin theta or cos theta or tan theta, we will have to make one triangle in the degree of 90 degree. I have told you and taught you about it in last some episodes. So this kind of one triangle we have to take from here to here and from here to here, and it reaches here. That triangle I have drawn here, from here to here and here to here and here to here. Already we got the 70.3587 because we divided this 140 with 2, then we got to 70.3587. And this measurement from here to here, hypotenuse is 2671.1. Everybody knows it because in so many calculations we have done and we got this measurement 2671.1. 2671.1. I have described this all in last episodes. So we are reaching very near to the end of our development. We got this measurement. With this measurement means this hypotenuse and this degree, we can find out this measurement. If we find out this measurement, we have succeeded. We have found out this measurement. If we do its multiplication with 2, its double will be got. It will be the measurement from here to here. So we can find out the end point of this perimeter. Means it starts from here and it ends here. Now we have just drawn one round only. We don't know the exact place to stop this perimeter. So we have to find out this measurement. For finding out, we are using trigonometric calculations. I have told you about it. It is sin theta. Another formula is cos theta, tan theta. I have described this also. Today I won't describe about it. It is for finding out sin theta. We have to use the formula opposite sided by hypotenuse. And cos theta, we have to use the formula adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. And for finding out tan theta, we have to use opposite side divided by adjacent side. Now I am asking one question to you. In this three formula, which formula can be used for finding out this measurement? If we use cos theta, you can't find out this measurement. If we use tan theta, we can't find out this measurement. But if we use the formula sin theta, instead of sin theta, sin 70, theta is degree, theta, sin 70.3587, we can find out this measurement because sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. We have to find out opposite side. We will get it. And divided by hypotenuse, already we have 2671.1. So we can use the formula sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. In sin theta, we can give values to it. Sin theta means 70.3587. I have given that measurement to here. And opposite side, we have to find out. This is the opposite side of this degree. We don't have this measurement. So we shall write the word opposite side, OS, and divided by hypotenuse. We know about it. Hypotenuse from here to here, that is 2671.1. Everybody knows we can find out hypotenuse in a triangle because it will be the opposite side of 90 degree. This is 90 degree. It's opposite side. And another one method is, in this triangle, this measurement will be the lengthiest measurement. Okay. Now, sin 70.3587 is equal to opposite side by 2671.1. We have to find out opposite side. So, we have to keep this opposite side in the right side and we have to take this measurement 2671.1 to left side of is equal to. If we take this measurement from here to there, if it is in the bottom side, then when it reaches in the left side, it will be reaching in top side. Same thing has happened here. We used the opposite side in the right side and we have taken 2671.1 to left side. So, it has reached in the top side. Here it was in bottom side. When it reached in this line, it reached in top side. And here it had been divided. So, it's when it reached in left side, we have multiplied it with the sin 70.3587. So just use your calculator and find out sin 70.3587 into 2671.1. Sin 70.3587 into sin 70.3587 into 2671.1. 2671.1. Then we get a measurement 2515.7. I have written it here 2551.7. We have got. What is this? This is opposite side. We have got opposite side. We were trying to find out this opposite side. We have got this measurement as 2515.7. I have written that measurement in this line 2515.7. If we have got this measurement, that is the measurement of from here to here only. If this measurement is 2515.7. If it is so, what will be the measurement from here to here? It will be double of 2515.7. From here to here is 2515.7. If it is so, the measurement from here to here will be 2 times bigger than 2515.7. Just use your calculator and do the multiplication, then you will get 2515.7 into 2, it will be 5031.4. So this 5031.4 will be the measurement from here to here. We have succeeded to get the perimeter of outer shell. So just right here, I have written in this diagram 5031.4. That is the measurement from this corner to this corner. So we have to use the measurement 2671.1 and we have to make a radius. First we were doing it in a full round, because we don't know where will it start and where will it be finished. Now we know the exact point of its starting and exact point of its end, because if we have started it from here, if you make a straight line to this radius, wherever it reaches, wherever this 5031.4 reaches, that will be the end point. So we got this one, but we haven't completed our cone, because our cone is having one diameter of 2088 in its base and another diameter in its top side, that is 522. Means after this much of length, not this length, this is the length of perpendicular length only, straight length only, but this much of length also we have to get. So how will we be getting this measurement? We have already got this measurement from here to here, that is 2671.1. But we have to get this measurement. If we have got this measurement, our development will be finished. You know how to find out this kind of measurement. How much is our measurements? That is, one is 2088 in its bottom diameter and 522 in its top side. I have written once again here, its bottom measurement is 2088 and its top measurement is 522 and its vertical height is 1844. I have written that one also here, 1844. If we have this measurement and we have this measurement also, very easily we can find out this measurement. For that purpose, we have to use the formula a square plus b square is equal to c square. I have told you about it in so many episodes. So what is the aim? We have to find out this measurement. We have to find out this measurement. How will we be finding out this measurement? It is very easy, because everybody knows about it. This measurement is 2088 and this measurement is 522. This measurement is 522. From this 2088, if we decrease 522, we will be getting the measurement from here to here and also here to here. And if we divide it with 2, it will be the measurement from here to here. So just decrease 522 from 2088. I have written 2088. And I am going to subtract 522 from 2088, then we get 1566. You do it in your calculator. Then we go to 1566. What is this 1566? That is the measurement from here to here and here to here. Two measurements are joining together and becomes 1566. If it is so, what will be the single measurement from here to here? Or what will be the single measurement from here to here? This 1566 has to be divided by 2. I have written it here. When we divide 1566 with 2, you will get 783. So we got, already we have got 1844. Now we have got this 783 also. I have written it in this area. 783 we have got. 783 we have got. If we have these two measurements in a triangle, this is a triangle. Its base is 783 and its perpendicular length is 1844. If it is so, very easily we can find out this hypotenuse. For that purpose, we have to use the formula a square plus b square is equal to c square. I have told you and I have taught you very easily and very perfectly in so many episodes. What is this a square? A square is the measurement from here to here, 1844.44. Its square has to be taken. And b is 783 from here to here. Its square also has to be taken. We have taken. And if we have taken the square of this one, and if we have taken the square of this one, it has to be added. Then we will get c square. C square means from the measurement from here to here into once again the measurement from here to here. 2 times if we do the multiplication of c, we will get c square. Okay. So just use your calculator and find out 1844 square and 783 square. First of all, we have to find out 1844 square. 1844 square is equal to, we get 34 lakh and 336. I have written it here. 34 lakh 336, and that is this measurement, A square, that is this measurement, 1844 square. And we have to find out B square. We have to find out 783 square. What is it? 783 square, we shall find out 783 square, that is, we have got 6,13,089. I have written that measurement also here. So we got A square and we got B square also. These two has to be added. Just add these two, then you will get 40 lakh and 13,425. What is this? This is C square. When we add this two, we will get C square. When we added, we got this measurement, that is C square. We have to find out C only. So we shouldn't multiple this C with C. C has to be in one time. It means its square root has to be taken. If its square root has been taken, we will say it is C. Same way, its square root also has to be taken. If we have taken its square root, we will have to give this kind of square root mark. Sign we have to give, square root sign. What is the square root of 40,13,425? Just use your calculator and find out 40,13,425 is square root. Square root of 40,13,425. 13,425. Then we get a measurement 2003.4. I have written it here. As the square root of 40,30,425 is 2003.4. What is this 2003.4? That is the measurement from here to here. 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 So, in this development, we got this measurement 2003.4. From here to here, 2003.4. From here to here, 2003.4. I have written it here. From here to here is 2003.4. And the biggest radius is 2671.1. From this point, we have to use, first of all, we have to take the radius of 2671.1 and we have to make a round. And we don't know how much this round we need. So, we find out one point and make a measurement 5031.4. It will meet in the round, in this portion of round. That portion of round, that meeting point will be the end of this perimeter. So, we used the measurement 2671.1 and we used the measurement 5031.4, and from here we made a line here. For making that line, from this point we have to coincide this line with this meeting point. Then we got this line, and same way we have to use a scale and we have to mark one line from here and to the meeting point. Then we got this measurement. And we know about the measurement from here to here, that is 2003.4. Make measurement from 2003.4 from here to here, and this point has to be the inner radius of this cone. So, use your compass and keep that compass one needle here and another needle should be here. Where should it be kept? Everybody knows. From here to here, we will find out 2003.4. From that, we have to take a radius. Then we got 2671.1. With that, we drew this one. And we got 5031.4. With this 5031.4, we got this 2. Afterwards, we made this line. And we made this line. We don't know how much this line has to be lengthened. For that purpose, we used the measurement 2003.4. Wherever this 2003.4, it has used as the inner radius, and we kept our needles one end here and another end here, and we drew one radius here. Then we got development. This is the development of this kind of one cone. If we have to make this kind of one cone, which is having a diameter of 2088 in bottom side and 522 in its top side, and if it is concentric cone and it has a straight length of 1844, we have to find out this kind of measurement for marking and cutting. Afterwards, we will have to bend it or we have to roll it, then we will get this kind of one cone. Today I am just concluding today's episode. In next episode, I will be describing its more efficient classes. Here I haven't told about thickness. In next class I will be telling if it is having thickness, how much of thickness we have to decrease or how much of thickness we have to increase. What is proper thickness? It will be having up to the end some thickness. It means its outer thickness will be increased at the time of rolling, and inner perimeter, inner thickness, it will be slightly come together and it won't have more length after rolling. This all will be described in next episode. We shall meet in next episode. That will be my 25th episode. Today I am so happy to tell you one thing. If you have got any new point, new knowledge about my class, please share this one. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it also. And I would like to inform you one thing. Just see this measurement, this number. It is 199th video. Next video is 200. Today or tomorrow, I will be doing my 200th video. So we have to enjoy with 200th video. I am so happy to perform that 200th video because I didn't expect I will be crossing 100 episodes. I crossed 100 episodes. Now I have reached very near to 200. It is my 199th. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will be doing my 200th episode. You will have to enjoy with that 200th episode. We will have to find out time for doing as a feast. So I welcome to my next video. That will be a subject of my Malayalam series, that is Rega Chitrangal. So I beg you to, I would like to invite you to my next video. We shall meet in my 200th video. May God bless me. God has to be blessed me. Otherwise, I may not be able to say it. If I die before that, I won't be able to give you that. So, God's blessing has to be with me and also with you. We shall expect God will bless me and also you. So, once again, I pray for you, and your prayers have to be for me also. So, we shall meet in my 200th video. That will be Rega Chitrangal Malayalam episode. Okay, goodbye. Have a good day.